Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine having all your crucial Yamaha outboard data, like fuel consumption and engine RPMs, right there on your Garmin screen. It's incredibly convenient and helps you stay on top of your engine's performance in real time. This connection truly simplifies how you monitor your boat's vital signs, offering a seamless, integrated, and much more informed boating experience. To get started, you'll need a few key components. First, a robust NMEA 2000 network backbone on your boat is essential, as this is the communication highway for your devices. You'll also likely need a Yamaha gateway or an appropriate NMEA 2000 starter kit to ensure proper data translation from your engine. Don't forget the necessary Garmin NMEA 2000 cables to connect everything up securely. Now, let's focus on the Yamaha side of the connection. You'll first need to carefully locate the specific NMEA 2000 output port, which is usually found on your engine's main wiring harness. Once you've pinpointed it, simply plug in your Yamaha NMEA 2000 gateway cable. Then, carefully route this cable cleanly to an available T-connector on your boat's existing NMEA 2000 network backbone, ensuring a neat and secure fit. Moving to your Garmin display, you'll need to locate the NMEA 2000 port, which is typically found on the unit's rear panel. Take one of your Garmin NMEA 2000 drop cables and firmly connect one end to this port. The other end of this cable then simply plugs into any available T-connector on your NMEA 2000 network backbone, completing the essential physical connection to your Garmin unit. With everything connected, power up your Garmin display and head to the NMEA 2000 device list within the settings menu. You should see your Yamaha Outboard gateway recognized there as a connected device. Next, customize a data screen on your Garmin to show engine parameters like RPMs, fuel flow, and engine temperature, giving you immediate access to all that valuable data you've just unlocked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.